Start Microsoft Word. Having recorded some dictation on my iPhone, I'm now going to show you how to transcribe that into a Word document on my Surface Pro 3. I've transferred the file via Dropbox onto the PC, and what I need to do is open the profile that I have for that particular application. And this is set up previously as a dictation source into my profile. And I just need to switch from my headset. I'm using currently the Jabra voice headset here, and I'm going to change to the handheld or smartphone application with recording device. So I select that and save my user profile, and I switch across to a profile that I've prepared for use with my iPhone. The user profile is loaded. Once that's done, I'm ready to transcribe. Just a couple of things though. When you do this, under Options, Tools Options, you've got some options here in terms of how accurate Dragon can be. When you're doing a transcription, you usually don't care about how fast Dragon is. You'd much prefer it to be accurate. So typically when you're doing this with a headset live, you'll have this setting here, speed versus accuracy, somewhere around the middle. Or if you're particularly impatient, maybe you're a barrister, you have it set to fastest response up here. If you're doing transcription of a file, you'd probably set it to most accurate, and that means that Dragon will take its time a little bit, but it will give you the most accurate recognition that it can. Once you've done that, you go to the Tools menu. You can just drag and drop an audio file onto the menu bar if you want to. If you want to select it, you say Transcribe Audio, like that. You can choose to transcribe into DragonPad, which is the built-in word processor in Dragon. That's usually faster than having Word process it. Or you can choose the window. Let's be dangerous today and choose a Microsoft Word window. And we're going to leave it at all commands because I use some formatting commands in my dictation and I just want to see if they come up when I process the document. Then I click on Next. I need to choose the file. If I browse, Dragon has remembered that I was actually looking in my Dropbox app before in the Voice Record Pro folder. I'm going to choose my latest recording, open that up, and then click on Transcribe. Now, the transcription starts as soon as I click in the window where I want the transcription to happen, and the audio will be interpreted by Dragon according to the context that I'm in. So I'm in Microsoft Word here. As soon as I click, the audio will start to transcribe. What you should see now is pretty much what I dictated before. We'll see how many errors we get. It's a fairly fast process. As you can see, the accuracy is pretty good. We need to clean up the formatting a little bit, but Dragon is respecting most of the commands that I've given it, and you see it's getting the bullets command that I gave it before. And you can choose to use extensive dictation commands, your normal dictation commands, or a fairly full set of formatting commands as well. It's usually wise just to choose the dictation, but to make this more readable, as you can see, the formatting commands are working fine too. Okay, that's the transcription completed. Now I can change back to my standard profile. So I'll change back to my Jabra, save my transcription profile. Select all. Select all. Play that back. Miller Manufacturing - first conference at tribunal, new paragraph. Attending for the applicant, Karen Rakani, Derek Austin, new paragraph. Correct to the applicant. For the applicant. Correct Rakani. Undo that. Spell that. cap R-A-C-C-A-N-I. Click OK. And we can go through and correct the presentation and make it final. The corrections I make will be remembered by Dragon and will be used to improve recognition on future transcriptions.